Hello, welcome back. I'm very excited about this tutorial. I wasn't even going to film this look today, but today was just a really good makeup day where every product that I used worked perfectly and did exactly what it was supposed to do. So it was a very good makeup day. But I've been wanting to sit down and film with the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette, which is so pretty, it's so colourful, it's just fun. It's just what we need right now. Some fun, colourful looks. You know, I'm not even going to say any more. We're just going to jump in and just start the tutorial. So I'm starting off priming my eyes, and I'm taking my Fenty Beauty primer and just going all over the lid up towards the brow bone. And then the first shade I'm taking is Coastline, and I'm working that into the crease. I build that up. I probably layer this like twice, just to kind of like slowly build up the colour that I want and the depth that I want. And then moving into Palm, which is the dark brown, and I'm just using this to define my crease a little bit more, like you can see here. Sorry, my cat is going crazy in the background with a toy. Yeah, so I just keep building that up just to get that nice depth in it. I'm then going in with some concealer, and I'm using this to cut my crease. So you just want to really take your time with this and just get that really soft, sharp line. And I mixed these two colours. I mixed Seashells and Mediterranean for the lid because I didn't want it too green, but I didn't want it too blue. So I liked the shade that these two colours made. It was like that kind of bluey, purpley, greeny type of shade. And then just to smoke out the corners a little bit, I grabbed some more Palm and just used a smaller brush then to smoke the outer corner out. And now I'm taking my Lancome primer and using this to prime my skin. It's a really nice hydrating primer. And then jumping in to foundation. This is my YSL All Hours foundation in the shade BD30. So I'm just putting this all over. And once I have that done, I'm using my Jouer concealer to highlight underneath my eyes and just down along my T-zone. And this is a Fenty sponge I'm using then to blend this out. And I'm taking the shade Coffee then to contour, but as you can see, I put a bit too much on. A little goes a long way with this product. So I just kind of blended out what was there and then went over with my sponge just to melt that back into the skin. And then whatever was left over on the brush, I learned from my mistake and just used the remainder of the product then to do the other side. And there was still enough in it then for me to go around my hairline as well. And I'm going to set all that then with my Hourglass translucent powder, one of my faves. So I just like to press it on like this with my sponge and just keep pressing. I don't leave it to bake. I just keep pressing until it all melts into the skin. So I do that underneath my eyes and down along my T-zone. And then I just grabbed a tiny amount on a brush and just lightly dusted it all over. Now I'm taking my bronzer then. I'm just using this to set the contour and just kind of warm up my skin just a little bit more because, you know, I am a lover of all things bronze. And my face was feeling a bit dry because of all that powder, so I just Fix Plused it just to refresh my skin. Now I take this purple pencil underneath my eye, just along my lash line. And then I'm going to blend that out with a small brush. I'm just going to use this as a base, and then the shadow that I use on top will just sit and stay all day. And the shadow is Can that I'm using on top, which is this gorgeous purple shade. I wanted to bring as much colour into this look as possible. And then I'm using my Marc Jacobs Blacker liner then to smoke out my waterline. And I'm just giving my lashes a coat of mascara. And then for the inner corner, I'm taking the shade Inheritance, which is this gorgeous gold shade, just to highlight and just add another little pop of colour. And the lashes that I'm wearing are Miami Flare from Lilly Lashes, which are actually amazing. I think they're a new style, but I really like them. Taking Whirl lip liner from MAC then to line my lips. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, the sirens and everything in the background. It's like every bit of noise is coming out to wreck my head. The lipstick I'm using is Beach Babe from Tarte, just a really soft neutral pink. And before I forget to do my cheeks, I'm taking Flesh and Fantasy from Marc Jacobs, which you can't even really tell that I put it on, but I know it's there. Taking my Fort de France highlight from NARS then to highlight my cheekbones and give me a glow. And then to set all that, I'm taking my dewy set from Anastasia Beverly Hills just to finish off the look. And we're finished! I am very happy with how this look came out. I had an idea of what I wanted to do and it worked. So I'm very happy. I think it's fun, colourful, and just what the doctor ordered because it is snowing here in Vancouver right now, which I'm not impressed with. I think Vancouver's broke. It's March and it's snowing. Anyway, I hope this makeup look gives you some inspo. If you do recreate my looks, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. If you post it on Instagram, tag me. I love seeing your recreations of my look. It makes me so happy. So if you do it, don't forget to tag me. And that's pretty much it. I'm not going to ramble on, but I'm just going to say one more thing that I love this palette. I think the formula is great. Everything in it just worked. Like every shade that I used blended perfectly. It just did what it was supposed to do. So I think they really nailed it with this palette. In my opinion anyway, I think it's great. Anyway, I'm gonna go because I'm so hungry right now. I need to go make some lunch. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.